Hey guys, Brad here. Today we're going to be taking a look at a bare tool. This is the adapter to go from your 18 volt tool lineup to the 20 volt batteries. I think this is key to have if you are making that transition. And I'm going to tell you why in just a sec. First, I'll show you how it works. Grab your old 18 volt tool, which is still good, and you slap this guy right in the bottom, just like that. Now it's ready to take the new 20 volt battery. So we'll grab a 5 amp hour, which is a very common, very well used battery. And that just slips in the bottom just like that. And now we are ready to go. Doing this allows us to make that transition from old tools to new tools. And then eventually, like I did, you start phasing out these old 18 volt tools and you start getting into the more brushless tools and the more expensive stuff, really. It allows you to slowly buy batteries. You can still use your 18 volt platform. It's just a really nice way to make that transition. I think Dewalt really did a good job with allowing us to do this because it is expensive to move from one tool lineup to the next. And you may not want to buy every single new Dewalt tool out there. Now, I still use this 1/2 inch impact driver almost every day for decking. We're driving in big lag bolts, and this thing really does help with that. I haven't made the plunge into buying the new 20 volt tools, so that's why this adapter is really great. Now, when I first started off doing this transition, I bought myself a bunch of these adapters because these are a little bit sticky, and it's just a lot quicker to have an adapter on every single tool than having to swap adapters and batteries. I just made the plunge and bought a few of these and stuck them on my tools while I was transitioning from the 18 volt lineup to the 20 volt max. So I think you can't go wrong with getting these adapters. They definitely make the transition easy. I know it did for me. Keep on crushing it, guys. We'll catch you later.